everyone, we made it to a Sok pier where we're going to get a boat taxi, so this should be fun. We had to try and work out which direction we're going. We think we got the right direction, that way. Not where that boat's going, that's going that way. We want to go that way.
Huh.
We think.
Jump. 大於幣。
Oh, did you see that? They lower it. Hi everyone, we are in Bangkok in the city centre, and just behind me is one of the famous Klongs, which is a canal to me and you. Now there are various canals running through the city, and we have already been fortunate enough to jump on one, and where we are staying is a stop called Bopi Market. I'm sorry if that's not right, but we're not far from there, and at the last stop is where you can get off for the Golden Mount, and the price we paid in between 11 baht and 15 baht depending how far you go. Now earlier on we were in the city centre, Asok area, and we went to the Asok Pier and we jumped onto one of the riverboat taxis, and that cost us 15 baht to get to the Golden Mount. That's their last stop. Now you do have to actually jump off the boat at one of the piers, because when everybody gets off and it empties, you know to get off, and you just walk up very slightly, and then another boat comes along and you jump on that one and it takes you to the end stop. It's really good fun, you should try it. It can be a little daunting though, because when the boat stops, it does stop, but it's very, you know, the balance is not great, and it's not really good if you're not very steady on your feet, or for young children. It's just a bit of fun. Just be careful getting on and off. And there are people on the boat that just come and collect the money. And like I said, how much it was. So have a go. So remember, if you are pretty tall like my gorgeous husband, he's 6'2", you will have to duck very slightly, because the roof does actually move down when it goes under the bridge. Still good fun. Hi everyone. So a slight detour. We were meant to get a Khlong taxi ferry along around the corner from us, and they weren't running. We did walk along there. We thought, right, okay, we won't wait this pier, we'll just walk to the next one. Still no taxi boat, so we walked to the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one. And poor Paul, he is a dripping mess. I am, well, slightly perspirating, but we did make it to the actual Chao Phraya River. And of course we had to stop for a little compulsory advertisement. So we're just having a quick pit stop, and we're going to have a bite to eat, and then we're going on to the ferry. Hi everyone. So as you can see, it's raining very slightly. We are at Sukhumvit Asok train station, or the MRT, the BTS. It's like the junction right near Terminal 21, and behind me there is a torrential storm.